Have you ever wondered when humans first started smoking? It wasn't cigarettes. Thousands of years ago, ancient people discovered that certain plants released interesting smoke when burned. At first, they probably inhaled smoke by accident while sitting around campfires. Later, they began experimenting with different herbs and plants, sometimes for medicine, sometimes for rituals, and sometimes simply out of curiosity. The oldest evidence of tobacco smoking comes from the Americas, where people were using tobacco more than 12,000 years ago. Archaeologists have even discovered ancient smoking pipes that prove these traditions are incredibly old. So smoking didn't begin with modern civilization. It started thousands of years earlier, around the first campfires, when humans were learning about the natural world. History is full of surprising discoveries. Imagine discovering smoke for the very first time, with no science to explain it. Would you have tried it too? Let me know in the comments, and follow for more surprising stories from ancient history.